for giving me a chance to say something about myself, and my partner. My name is Anupam and my partner name is Ajim. Ajim, I am going to ask your question. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
So, question number 1. What does your like fathers?
My father like is a catching fish. And you?
My father likes listening music. And second question is, what does not your mother like?
My mother does not like is a cake. And you?
My mother does not like a bread. And third question, where does second brother reach?
My second brother is a college student. And you?
I also, my brother second reach in a college, a student. And fourth question, which class does your sister read?
My sister read in class 5. And you?
I also my sister read in class 5 in primary. And 5 questions. What is your hobby?
My hobby is My hobby is visiting new place. And you?
My hobby is reading a books. And 6th question. What is your hate?
My hate is child marriage. And you?
I also my hate is child marriage. Thank you, sir.